At Lee Park Prep, we recognize the importance of exposing our students to technology in order to prepare them for an ever-changing world. This exposure will be vital to their success in their collegiate endeavors and in the emerging job market. Our students complete 2 courses in IT that can cover topics ranging from the hardware of a computer as well as the software, email etiquette, proper use of the Google Workspace, hands-on applications with Google surveys, coding using JavaScript, and the use of coding in problem solving. LP Prep students also cover lab topics that include the use of technology such as microscopes, as well as experiments that teach important concepts from various areas of biology, such as immunology and medical biology. This helps to provide hands-on learning as well as teach important clinical lab techniques. This year, as part of a renovation of our Learning Commons, we are including a new STEM room with a 3D printer. 2 of our students are going to tell you about how they were able to use this device to make applications from their AP Calculus course.
Hi, my name is Brandon Schulenberger.
And I'm Brock Adams, and we're seniors here at Lee Park Prep.
And today we're going to be showing you some of the modeling we've learned in our calculus class.
And how to print it on a 3D printer.
I brought a few that I've already printed. You can see this one here where we have used a disc or a washer to find the volume of this. A washer, right? Because you see the hole there in the center. But today we're going to do a more simple one. We're going to take y equals x and y equals x squared. I want you guys to revolve that about the x-axis. I want you to do the calculus and the work and find the volume of that. Then we're going to model it with the modeling software and print it on the 3D printer. Let's clear this and get into something new. I want something different. I want a new exit. That's probably good right there. That'll probably get it done within 2 hours, and I'm okay with that. As technology such as 3D printers continue to revolutionize the world around us, we want to make sure our students are ready for those changes. At LP Prep, we also see this as a kingdom opportunity. It is vitally important for future leaders in technology to have a biblical worldview, which is the foundation to the LP Prep education.